Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for joining in. Yesterday, on yesterday's video, I was talking about getting the overall context of what is going on, just to have idea of the whole overall context of what's going on, and to kind of follow the trend. And for the past 1 year, 12 months, let's see and understand the two overall context and how the market is moving. So today, the Fed had a meeting. They had a meeting again for the month today, and this is the meeting where decisions are made on what to do, either to increase the interest rate to further quench down the inflation, or to leave it as it is. So in the past two Fed meeting, it's been left alone. They did not increase the rate. So to me, that kind of signal that it seems like some things are now getting better. I mean, they won't say that. They're not going to say it, but just understanding of things. When things go up, 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 and it start kind of going sideways, flat, and the law of gravity. So what's going to happen is it's going to start going down. So with that in my mind, I was thinking and saying, hey, since they've been keeping it steady, something good is in the pipeline. It's coming, and that is the way I planned. That's the way I try to invest. So yesterday video, I kind of encourage us and show us what the trend is for the past 12 months and what has been going on. So today the meeting came on, and what happened is the same thing. The Fed, keep the interest rate steady and go further than that to kind of give us the forecast to next year, which the market like, which everyone kind of like what he heard. So it makes investors, it makes people kind of happy and relaxed, and hoping for the best next year. This is what I've been expecting that anyway, because of the way the trend of the stock market as a whole. So this right here, just like rubber stamp what I've been thinking and what I think is going to happen. I mean, don't get me wrong, anything can happen tomorrow. Things can change tomorrow. But as at now, as at today, it seems like the Fed already gave us the idea that they probably going to cut rates to next year, 3/4 point. 3/4 point, three times tomorrow next year. They probably going to cut rate. So they did not see things going bad, and we are not in recession. So all those affirmation was cleared out by the Fed today. So the market liked it, and the people go in and start buying. So I want us to really, kind of, understand this, that in the bull run, things happen quickly. It happened quickly. So that is why we have been trying to, to DCA, dollar cost average into those stocks that we are interested in, that we know is going to give us and help us to build this generational wealth. And if we continue to do that, like I said, sometimes I always say this, like, everybody has a goal, everybody has a dream, but what is your plan? How do you plan to achieve your goal, or how do you plan to achieve your dream? So the way we plan it is to position ourselves right now. The trend is positive to us. Is working according to our plan and what we anticipate. So let us continue to do that. Let me show us what the Fed did today, and so that we can kind of have a better, clear understanding of what I'm talking about. The With the news today, you can see the Dow Jones went up. Every one of the indexes went up by over 1%. You can see the Dow Jones here went up by 512 points. 512 points, which is 1.4 or 4%, and the S&P 500 went up by 1.37%, 63.39, and Nasdaq over again 1.38 over 200 points, and Russell went up by 3.52. Uh, 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 66 points. That is just on the news of Fed keeping the rate steady and giving us the forecast for next year. So it's been, and even now you can see the future already up. S&P is already up by 80 points. Dow Jones 102, Nasdaq 94, and Russell 10. So it's happy news. Is encouraging news for every investor to kind of readjust their portfolio and kind of see the light, getting closer, or we are getting closer to the end of the tunnel, where we have going to enjoy the beautiful light. And if you look at it, these are just the main point. That's the main point. He said Fed holds interest rate steady for third straight policy meeting. This is the third time they keeping it, the rate steady. That's like, just like I said, it goes up, up, up. It goes up, up, up. Then it flat out, and when it flat out, it start coming down. That is the law of gravity anyway. So I expect that. And again, he said what to expect at today's Fed meeting is what we just get. And uh, what is it again? It's a stock future edge higher after the PPI news. So anyway, the whole idea is just for us to be able to position ourselves and be able to make best decision for ourselves. So uh, it also shows that Powell confirmed Fed has likely finishing interest rate hike. There's high possibility based on what they said today that they're not going to raise high raise rate anymore. So it's encouraging news. Future market expects six rate cut in 2024. But it expects six, but it kind of signal for three. So let's see how it goes, and from there we will be able to enjoy our investment. 512 points today on Dow Jones, and S&P 63, 1.37, and it's all around, a conducive news for investor for the stock market. And encouraging us just at the same way, that I said in yesterday's video, that we need to start kind of positioning ourselves, get your seat in the house. I cannot tell you what to do. I cannot tell you, how to spend your money, but I can just kind of give the information and kind of maybe share what I'm doing with you, just to share what I'm doing with you and my own opinion, just for you to see that. So we are on a good, we are on track, and hopefully things will go accordingly, and we will all have a fun enjoying and building this generational wealth. So that is it for now. Thank you for joining in today. Hopefully, we kind of get the idea of what is going on and the trend that the whole market is heading, and the trend of the whole economic situation. So we are going to be okay as long as we make our decision on time on what to do and those things that we are hoping it will build this generational wealth for us. We already talk about the crypto, we talk about the electric vehicles, and also we talk about the cannabis. These are the three main industry that we are investing in. So I encourage everyone to do the best and continue to DCA in and continue to buy, and hopefully pretty soon we can all look back and thank God and thank ourselves for having making the right decision. If this is your first time on the channel, this is what we do here. We try to encourage one another to build a generational wealth, to have a financial freedom. If this is your first time, I will ask you, I will request from you to subscribe to the channel and also to share this video and hit the notification bell so that we can all rub minds together and we can all, share, empower ourselves and share ideas. No one knows it all, but we all, seems to know it all as we share this information. Thank you for watching today. Thank you for taking time out. And as I see you in the next video, thank you and have a wonderful day.